Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to open a Fidelity Brokerage account online. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To do it, first what you need to do is prepare your information. Before you start, make sure you have your full legal name, date of birth, social security number, email address and phone number, bank account information, and employment and income details. Then once done, what you need to do is simply head over and open up your browser. Then on the search bar, type in Fidelity Brokerage account. Then once the search result loads, on the Fidelity website you'll find the Fidelity Brokerage account. Simply tap on that. Then once the homepage of the Fidelity loads, what you need to do is just simply tap on Open or Brokerage account. Then once you tap on Open or Brokerage account, what you need to do is simply tap on Are you already a Fidelity customer? Tap on Yes, and then once done, all you gotta do now is fill in the personal information like your full legal name, date of birth, social security number, contact info like address, phone and email. Then provide your employment and financial info, employer name which is optional, annual income, net worth and investment experience, and this helps Fidelity recommend suitable investments, but it's not a barrier to opening an account. The next step is to link your bank account by adding your checking or savings account. Fidelity will ask for a routing number and account number. You can fund your account immediately or later. Lastly, review and agree to the terms and you will get a confirmation email once the account is created, and log into your new account via Fidelity website or the app, and then set up security features like password or two-factor authentication. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.